The thing that gets me every single time is most of the content out there is just genuinely not useful. It's either somebody going so deep into technical details that honestly half of it goes over my head too, or it's just someone getting paid to say nice things about a project. That's pretty much it. And the market right now isn't making things easier. Most cryptos are just slowly losing ground. But here and there, something breaks that pattern, and Hyperliquid has been one of those things, and the staking mechanics behind it. I've spent years going through platforms like this, and I have a pretty good gut feeling at this point for what's actually built properly. So let me just walk through the whole thing, but look, before getting into any background information, I want to go through everything hands-on first, because honestly, reading about how something works and actually watching it work are two very different things. All right, so logging in. Press start here. Few options for how to sign in, going with MetaMask. Okay, so right at the top, my balance snapshot, that's the running total of hype in the wallet combined with everything that's come in from staking. And right underneath that, live APY, daily yield, and further down there's a full history of the portfolio going back pretty far. I'll get into that part later, let's not jump ahead. All right, so opening rewards tab, and this is the accrual breakdown day by day, shows exactly what came in and when, pretty easy to read through. Okay, so to put tokens into staking, coming into this panel, enter the amount, and press stake. And yeah, there we go, my position updated. So from this point on, the protocol just does its thing. Rewards stack up automatically, nothing to manage. Now, I've had this running for a good while, built up a decent amount of rewards sitting here, and I want to show the other side of this, which is actually getting tokens back out. So switching over to unstake, enter the amount right here, then press unstake. And done. Just waiting a few minutes now for the protocol to wrap it up and the tokens to show on the wallet. Okay, while we wait, now let me explain what's happening here, because I think a lot of people skip this part and they probably shouldn't. So Hyperliquid is its own separate blockchain. It's not built on Ethereum, not plugged into Solana, nothing like that. Completely its own system built specifically for trading in DeFi from day one. And the reason that's a big deal is most DeFi protocols run on someone else's infrastructure. Whenever that network gets slow or expensive, your protocol gets slow and expensive too. Hyperliquid sidesteps all of that. It has its own transaction system. And in plain terms, it just means things settle really fast, under a second. Now, when hype gets staked, those tokens go to validators. Validators are basically the servers keeping the network alive and processing all activity on the chain. And stakers get a percentage of fees the network earns from trading. And one more thing that's worth understanding, this is non-custodial, meaning the tokens never actually leave the wallet. Protocol just works with them where they are, and that's a pretty fundamental difference from setups where you're transferring tokens somewhere and just trusting smart contract.